Hello everyone.
On a shorter greenhouse 9x14 you can do this whole gable at once, but you will need to use some extra supplies just to tie it together so it stays in place. We're gonna cut this out after we finish. I use just part of the greenhouse from extensions. Anyway, so now we're gonna drop side walls in there, and I'll show you later. So like usually, we are pre-screw, put the bolts in there, and hold them in the tape in the place. You don't have to worry about to tie this if you have a shorter model. It's just like this.
Vigor and passion for Israel, which not only helps Israel, of course, but helps their own.
Use a small screwdriver to hold the bolt from the back.
It is, although I've never heard you use the word evangelizing about things that matter, about the construct of our moral imperatives, and where do we get our ethics, and where do we get these principles that guide us, and certainly the Western world.
Market is tanking. Unemployment will likely reach an all-time.
Кто первый там?